Cordial greetings. My name is Norman Giovanni Lopez Garcia. I am a student of Industrial Engineer for this course, Valuation and Negotiation of Technology, Unit 1, State 4, Understat EG Negotiations, presented to tutor Ingrid Tatiana Gomez in November of 2020. This is the problem 3 about identification of problems faced by companies in negotiation of biotechnology products. Causes are ignoring the laws of intellectual property, skewed marketing studies, lack of financial resource, no the technologies that make the process efficient. The principal cause, bad choice of business model. Consequence, loss of profitability, use of inappropriate technologies, stagnant productivity, unregistered patents. The principal consequence, loss of resource. Technology transfers, how business model for the negotiation of biotechnological products. Principal advantage, identify the latest technologies that meet your specific needs, find partners to join force in the new developments. In those occasions in which the technology is not developed, it is possible to ally with other companies so that everyone benefits. Make profitable investment in RGI, licensing the patent results, commercializing the technology developed or improved, promoting and or marketing the resulting products, observe technology evolution in order to invest in development and research. Thank you.